Well, this will be a treat for you. I read something over lunch and found that the rectifiers can use a capacitor, sizable capacitor, to store some of the voltage and actually level out the output. So I'm sitting here at slow speed, at low smoke, and I've got 5.6 volts, and I'm putting out 192 degrees on a 10 ohm. Now that would say the 10 ohm is going to be way too low. But it also means that if I have this, and I've already done this so I know what happens, if I go to my smoke volume selection and I want to edit the smoke, and let's say I'm on minimum, if I go to medium now, it jumps to 8. If I do this again, and this time I go to max, it jumps to almost 10 volts. So I'm going to shut it off somehow, right here. Get out of this menu. Just shut the thing off. Can't do much with one hand. Anyway, shut it off. Now, what that says, is it really that hot? Yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. You could get a burn real quick with that. So now what I think I'm going to do is go back to my other simple volt regulator, and I'm going to add that capacitor in there. And I wonder if I do that to all of them at track voltage and everything, what would happen? Well, it'd be interesting. So at any rate, I've already soldered this thing up, so I can't use it again, but I have another one. So I'm going to put a giant capacitor on that boy and see what comes out of it. And it looks like then I will be able to run my real smoke, which has, I think that has an 18 in it, but I'll be checking the temperatures. Yes. Okay, so learn and learn. A rectifier by itself is okay. It gets you a DC out of an AC, but it reduces the current. If you add a capacitor, for somehow magically it adds those humps together and gets you a better result. I'll look up more scientifically on that, but that's where I'm at. So, onward and upward.